just bounce with me and eat some food, get pop a pill and roll. Or hold, you can get up on the stroll. I told you what I told you. I'm like a teacher, don't make me scold you. I'ma fold you like a bag in a poker. Look at me, I'm on shrooms and I'm like the Joker. But I ain't Mexicano, half black, nigga, half Tony Soprano. Half Tony Soprano too. I got a big head, that's why you don't fuck with me and I don't fuck with you. So don't make laughing jokes. I'm not coming through, sliding like a coke. I'm sliding like a coke, yes. When I'm bouncing, chilling with my buddies and you know we pouncing. Cause you got the bread, how much your lips? She got some big lips, can the nigga get some bread? No, but this ain't shit all that ooh. City of God, you fucking lose. I'm a fool. Riding on something like Leo. Nah, never can be that. I could never be that, cause I'm oh so real, oh so chill, shifting powder to my motherfucking girl, for real. But right now I'm in the pill with some shrooms. I took the pill when I was at work, like ooh. When we go deliver to some Orleans. God forgive me if I can't afford it. What I'm saying when I come home, when I eat some shrooms, nigga, I ain't playing. Speaking the truth, I ain't got to speak it in no motherfucking booth. I'm like home runs, like Babe Ruth. I got a sweet tooth, but it ain't in my 32 cavity. This in my nostrils, oh, you having these doors. Doors open doors for you, and I'm sliding through. Like, what does it do? What does it do? I'm coming through, kicking rhymes that are something like kung fu. Oh, yes, I'm something like fuck you, fuck